Enabling family sharing on Disney Plus allows multiple users to enjoy content under one subscription. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Create a Disney Plus account. If you don't already have a Disney Plus account, go to the Disney Plus website or app and sign up for a subscription. Follow the prompts to enter your information and payment details. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Add family members. In the account settings, look for an option that says Family Sharing or Manage Profiles. Here, you can add family members by entering their email addresses. They will receive an invitation to join your Disney Plus account. Step 4. Set up profiles. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and enjoy. Once all profiles are set up, confirm that everything is working correctly by logging into each profile. Now, all family members can enjoy Disney Plus content seamlessly. Now you are ready to enjoy Disney Plus with your family. Make sure to explore the vast library of content available for everyone.